Drop it.
And I'm here. Well, let's go to that, guys. All right, just have to set up the screen really quick. All right, let's go ahead and look at this. Let's look at what happened. We had a death candle in the morning. Shoutouts to Gary. We were actually doing a longevity club at 8:30 in the morning. He's over in Korea or the other side of the world. That was fun. 8:30, right? But we were actually talking about a trade on ES that was setting up exactly like this. And then of course NQ died. Guys, let's get right into it. We had the trade design down. Jeannie says, go short. Yes, we're going short, right? Is it going to break a level? Oh, it broke a level. Where's it going? Well, we have another level right there, right? And oh my God, this trade alone is potentially giving you a 5-to-1. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. Just wish everything else worked that easily, where we could just make it bigger. But let's see. Let's get the text here bigger. Where can I find that? It's the genie here. All right, trade design text. Trying to find that. I always get lost in my own settings. See, trade design text. So we're going to go normal, so it's a little bit bigger. Right. So there you go. You guys can see the numbers clearly. John, good morning. Matthew, Richard, Spatter, Fitztrader, Matthew, Gary, Pablo, Big Joe, Black Betty, Zelly, Mike D, Cool, the Gamer, Anthony, Fernando, what's going on? All right, so we got bearish sentiment. No one should be going long here. No one should be going long. We only go long when we break the 200 here at 23.8150. Okay, catching up to the trades. X-Ray Tour, D Young, Danny, Rich, Connor. How you guys doing? Good morning. Okay, so the market did that death thing yesterday. Man, it looks like it wants to do the death thing again today. Now, guys, in moments of uncertainty, we do not take a trade. Now, for me, this is an area of uncertainty. We did break down to this level. Everything says bearish. You know what? I have to go ahead and follow the system. However, I don't like that extension at 2.76 entering the trade where my risk is going to be 2.76 all the way up to the entry. That is just way too much for me. And then obviously you could use the level as your stop and maybe that would have worked, but I came in a little late. Later than a period. Okay, so Daniel, what's going on? And, you know, maybe we get a good deal here, right? Maybe we get a good deal here. Everything's trending down. I would then have to go ahead and consult with my supplemental chart here. In my supplemental chart, everything is a go. Everything's just a go. So, I have to. We're going short, guys. We're going short. And this is going to be fun. You guys are watching me live. NQ. down 175, 350, 500, 300. I'm literally going to use this level as my stop. I'm going to let the trade develop up 50, up 100, 125, 300, 350. Here we go. Can we get a zoom in there? You guys can see that 225. Let's not be greedy here, right? So there you go, 425, 520. Yeah, I'm just going to take that trade. It closed out at 725. $725 in less than 30 seconds. That's simple. My day's done. For many of you, your day would be done. Just done. Go live your life. $725. Your boss ain't paying you $725 in 30 seconds. What makes you think that you're so entitled for more money? This actually just blows my mind. And this is targeting just beginner traders who just get started into trading, thinking like they're going to turn $5,000 into $1 million, right? And so it's like, how entitled are you, right? You got a shitty sum, and you think you can get rich off of a shitty sum overnight. It just doesn't make sense, right? That is just a formula to a disaster. Okay, so Gary, good evening. That was to Gary we were working with this morning. So you have to be able to take that trade and take the trade and be appreciative of what the system and the market's giving you. That's how you grow wealth, and that's how you stay rich. These fools out there, I'm getting a payday. I'm getting a payday off a prop firm. It's like, it's become gamification. Trading should have never been gamified in the first place. I'm so against it. But yet, here we are. Right? And you know what? People with deep pockets ain't playing prop firms. Prop firms are targeting poor people. Sorry. Not sorry. It's just true. Right? So, here we go. We have this level here. And do we go ahead and go bullish here? No. Why? The band's in the way. We have the band in the way. After the band, we have pod. Good stuff, man. We have Excel in the way. Before Excel, we have Super Trend in the way. Then we have a level in the way. Then we have the 200 in the way. Guys, having awareness of your chart, right? And as I was talking about in this morning's 101, every element on the chart, level should be treated as a wall. Right? Level should be treated as a wall. Right? The band should be treated as resistance. Excel should be treated as resistance. Our super trend should be treated as resistance. Level 200 resistance. Where is the money? When we look at the chart, the money's really up here. That's where we want to be. We want to see price action breaking away from everything and then coming into this zone. And that zone with NQ, it's worth 100 points. 100 points. One NQ contract makes you $2,000. It's making sense? I hope so. I hope it's making sense. You want to trade the path of least resistance. You know, I get it. Some of you want to trade it to levels. I get it. It's high octane. It's fun. For me, trading's boring. It's got to be boring, man. I got enough stress in my life. Way too much stress in my life. So I like to take the path of least resistance, and you would do well by doing so as well, right? So, clearly, let's go ahead and remove the drawings here and get back to the chart here. Clearly, there's something going on here, right? Right here. Something going on clearly, right? And so, we'll see that level. You see, clear. It's clear as day, that level. Clear as day, right? Now, do we get a bounce? Well, if you're going to be a contrarian, you're going to play that bounce. And then you're going to get pissed because it rejects from the band here, just like it did with that wick. You see the wick comes up into your band, and then it just rejects. So let's not be contrarians. Let's trade what the genie's telling us and giving us 5 confluences here. So what I'm going to do is, I'll wait. If this thing is coming out down, I'm just going to go ahead and I'll do 5 I'll have 5 sell orders on the other side of that level there, right? And then, well, actually, you know what? Let me qualify it. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it, right? I'm going to wait for that candle to close. I want to see what's going to happen here, right? Because it's 1, 2. That's too exacting. That means that's too exacting right there. I don't want to get caught on the other side of that. I really don't. Oh, we'll see. Patience. Right? Okay, so here we go. The fact that I just made 700 bucks means that I don't want to just give it away, right? Now I'm extra cautious, right? Because now I'm in the mode of capital preservation, not allocation, right? You made your money on a trade. You need to shift your mode to capital preservation. It actually worked. Candle close, man. It actually worked. It actually worked out, guys. As long as you weren't a contrarian, I mean, it would have worked. Jeez, right? But for me personally, I want to trade from a position of abundance and confidence, right? I want to be confident in what I'm doing. I also want to not trade from a position of scarcity, right? I just don't want to do that. So for me, the trade, I mean, yeah, we're good. I want to preserve my gains. Anthony took it. Of course you did. Anthony, you made money? Depon Desai. The daily 13 is what it's bouncing on. See, you're giving yourself way too much work, Depon. It's all here on the chart. You're going to go ahead and do multi-time frame analysis here. You're just going to... It's too much. It's too much. Trust me on this. You're giving yourself way too much information. Right? Way too much information. So when you trade from a position of scarcity, that's when you're trading from the mindset of, oh, I lost, right? So now let me take my trades to recover my loss, but let me keep my stop super tight so that I don't keep losing more. That's trading from a position of scarcity because you're more worried about losing more money than attacking a grade A setup, right? So that's trading from a position of scarcity. Okay. You guys are good. Well, hey, I'm glad I could influence that. I mean, yeah, I'm just like, whatever. It worked out. It worked out. Down to a level. Congratulations, guys. All in all, trade design all the way. It printed. Should you get a break at this level, guys, this is a massive gap here. If we get a break below 20, 30, 50, this is the gap I look for, right? Because this is a bigger gap than up here. This gap resembles this gap here. This is what I would be gunning for. Parapopida. Well, yes. Okay. The answer to that question is yes. Multi-time frame analysis is damn near pointless. It really is pointless. You use the 1 day or larger time frames to get clarity on the trend. But to give yourself just, no, that's over-analysis paralysis. We just don't do that, right? If you just need more clarity on the overall trend, then you would go into, larger time frames. So like, for instance, we go to the daily here, we could see, we get a little more clarity on the trend, right? We got a break of Excel. We have a band forming to the downside right there, right, guys? You see the band there? So we have all that. That's on a daily. What's it looking like on a 4 hour? And a 4 hour is looking like consolidation, right? And of course you got levels here, and if we break this level at 2182, all right, let's go back to the 5 minute and see where this is at. We get that level there. Where's 2082? That's going to be somewhere around here. I mean, if you want to go ahead and mark that, that's halfway through the zone there. I mean, of course, maybe you should, maybe you would want to, but I tend not to think too much into it. Just go ahead, get that break off the 5 minute, take that trade down, okay? Multi-time frame is just getting in the way, right? And multi-time frame is another tactic people use, I guess, where they're trading from a position of scarcity. You're looking for a bias. You're constantly looking for confirmation, 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 confirmation. You're looking for that, right? But the thing is the daily's on just a different time horizon. It's giving totally different information. Your job on the 5 minutes to take advantage of, price volatility. That's it. That's where you're making your money. You're taking advantage of that, right? Taking advantage of market inefficiencies. Yeah, that's a thing. Yeah. Okay, so that's that here. We have that level, guys. You see the level bounce once again. Coming down to a level. Like magic here. Level. Guys, come on. Are you guys not seeing this? Our levels printed for you. Magical. Candle. Touch. Come on. Levels for the win. Jeez. Daniel Mitch discovered the trading smaller. Yes, I was just talking about that on the stream. Excuse me, on the 101 this morning. Huh. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Market death. Possible. There is nothing that's saying that this thing is going the other way at any other point. Oh my God. Alright. I'm going to be a little ballsy this time. I'm just going to hang out here once again. Let's see. And Ralph says trading micros is a game changer. Absolutely. Guys, you have to trade small to win big. Don't listen to these fools on YouTube. They're straight up like gambling. They're like, yeah, we're making all this money in prop firms and we're gambling and we're not using 1% allocation. We're not traders, we're gamblers, right? And for anyone who is trading on YouTube, and yeah, so that one so far not doing too well for me. Anyone who's trading on YouTube, there's a big audience on YouTube, they have a safety net, right, which is their YouTube income, their affiliate income, right, from the prop firms, and so come on, man, you want to be where the traders are. The traders are here, okay. Cool 100, absolutely. Trading micros is a breath of fresh air because it gives you more room for buffer. Okay? For those who can't trade with the secret chart during their session due to their 95, it's possible to trade it during Tokyo. I'm sure there's somebody trading the Tokyo session. I want to help with that answer. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check out ES. Let's see what ES is doing. Oh my. ES is hyper one. What's going on? ES. Oh boy. Genie, bearish. Let me zoom out. Right, bearish here. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. Just let this trade play out. So how many of you are trading your own cash versus prop firm? I want to see some hands. Yellow hands for prop firm, purple hands for cash, or just a different color hand for cash, right? So it's literally, yeah, Japan says both. Okay. Okay. Black Betty's cash. Cool. Mike cash. Danny cash. Stephen cash. Robert cash. Hey, both. All right, we got some Asians in the house. Pod, Paradapa, messing with him. Matthew Clark, Bidenomics or Bidenomics. All right, so we got some, we got cash, we got both, we got some prop firms in here. Okay, switching to cash. Fuck these prop firms. Hey, okay, hey. Props, pay the bills while building personal. Okay. Wait, props pay the bills. Ralph? So you're using prop firms to pay bills instead of a job? Interesting. That's scary. That's really scary. I'm just being honest there. Really, really scary. Really, really scary, man. What? Jump. Wow. Wowzers. Okay. Look at that. That was nice. We'll talk about that in a second. All right, any other tickers? How am I still losing my ass with Titan Excel? Do your journal. What's your risk to reward? What's your win rate? What's your profit factor? Right? That will answer all your questions, man. They'll answer all your questions. How you still losing? Are you following the system? Are you being patient? What are you doing? Eugenio, I don't know what the fuck you just asked. uh, yeah, he deleted his message. Let's see. Let's see what's happening with NVIDIA. And here we go, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is bearish still. Didn't quite get the break of the trade design down here. Interesting. Now to consider HER. Again, too much information. HER's already, your HER's already put on the chart for you. That's where you're pretty much getting your DSRs from. Your DSR, that's there. Yeah, don't really pay much attention to any of that. Sorry, I don't. All right, anything else? Oh, man. Keep it really, really, really simple here, man. We're very, very lean here. Let's see. Hey, Gaetano, good morning. It has been an early morning for me. It's kind of boring. Boring morning. Supercharts are sweet, by the way, Gabe. No red days since investing in online camper supercharts. Go get him. You guys heard it. Matthew Clark. Matthew Clark said it himself. Go get him. You guys see it here in the chats. Go ahead. Send me a DM. If you're in a Discord, just send me a DM, and I'll give you access to those charts. Just shoot me a DM. Like, honestly. I don't get it. People are like, oh, I don't want to spend that money, but you're just losing your ass to fucking prop firms. You're giving all your money to the prop firms. It just doesn't make any sense. You're giving all your money to your market. And I'm here trying to help you. It's like, no, we don't want his help. We want him to make us rich. Like, go fuck yourself. No, sorry. Sorry, been MIA. Start a new job. That's cool, Gaetano. Welcome back. Yeah. By the way, guys, I make no YouTube revenue. if I show you all my videos, YouTube has made my monetization for most YouTubers is green. I got yellows. It's like not suitable for advertisers. Yeah. Really, really sucks. Okay, just curious. Do you do covered calls on your long port with the extra money while holding? No, I don't. No. I just buy and hold. With my diamond encrusted nuts. Hey, that was a throwback. Demonetize me, YouTube. Anyways. Alright. Long time no see. Chad, what's up? I'm doing well. Multi-leg is lame. Huh. Let's see. AMD. What's AMD doing? Let's see what AMD is doing here. I feel like I'm talking to myself. You guys aren't giving me any tickers. Right, so here we go. Trade design down. Came down. Not quite there. Man, this might be like a slow burn day. This is, we were just in NVIDIA. What happened to NVIDIA? Did it move aggressively? Did it just pop? No, it did not. NVIDIA, that's what we're looking at here. Nothing really going on with NVIDIA. That really sucks. What about ES? Let's see what's going on with ES. ES consolidating here. Nothing really going on here. That really sucks. All right. He's asleep. So he's trading while asleep. Meta dying. Ooh, Meta. Go Meta. Go Meta. Let's see. Meta. What's happening? Ooh, Meta death. Holy. I mean, Meta was so damn expensive anyways. Whoa, look at that death. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's go ahead and look at CL. So if market's dying, oil is hanging on to that level. It's literally cliffhanger right here. Like, hey, we're going to hold on or we're going to die. We're going to hold on or we're going to die. I don't like it at this point. I mean, trade design down, gave you a half. Maybe that's just shy of a 1-to-1. You guys see it found support at this level here with Supertrend. Yeah, not a big fan of CL personally, but hey, if you like it, you like it. I just feel like it's too much chaos for me. Just way too much chaos for me. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, CL. Pop in. Ooh. Oh my god, look at, okay. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta check on my NQ trade here, guys. Let's see what's happening here with NQ. Up $700, 775. That's another 5. Man, okay. Let's zoom in. All right, 650, 500. Did I miss it? I think I missed it. Like, whatever. I'm not gonna go red. I'll take the $225. Ugh, fuck. Alright, I'm up $1,000 on the day. Like, whatever, right? But damn it, that would have been $1,400. It would have been like, just going with the trend. The genie says bearish, you go bearish. It's just like, but I missed. I hope you guys are actually watching a trade and saw that you were making some money and then you took the profit. I don't have that freedom because I'm trading and streaming and yeah. But, whoa, okay. Who made money on that second leg? Because there was money there on that second leg. Who's like, yes, Gabe, yes, we'll do the second time with you. Who did that? Oh, there you go. There you go. Manny Zada says he hasn't had a red day since he got the secret sauce. Dope. I also have a text. Oh my god, secret charts are so freaking cool. made their goal today twice. Congrats. Love it. I really enjoy helping people. It gets me off. It gets me off. I really, really enjoy helping people. I mean, like, if you guys are standing here, you just have to wipe a lot of fucking shit off your face. It just gets me off. Pod. Oh, jeez. Let's see. Oh, man. Hey, man. Kyron, what's up, dude? Old school. Wow. Wow. Okay. I just got a pretty impressive text here. Right? ICT isn't good, man. ICT is just like just Fugazi concepts, right? And the thing is, it's taught by kids that got 1, 2, 3 years experience in trading. Also originated by a man who says he invented the algorithm of the stock market. Somebody comes across and says something like that, it's a major fuck you, bro. Like, stop lying. Don't do that. And really, it just tells me that there's a sucker born every minute. And you know what? It just makes me so sad because it just also proves that the current generation fucking simps for anything. Like, simps. You guys need men in your lives. You need me in your lives, right? A tough love. Not listening to some freaking dude that looks like a pedophile with a white van ready to just dangle some candy in front of you and steal you and your sister. Then deliver you to Diddy. Come on. And Q. Okay, so we got to pivot here, right? So we're not bullish here, guys. That's not a bullish trade just yet. We have to, right? We have to break the 200 to the upside. Most like that. That's it. Like, okay. We're hanging out here. There's really nothing to look at. But what I wanted to do was showcase a student here. He gave me some really good news. It seriously just gets me so excited. So let's pull him up. Yeah, there's the whole gender reversal thing going on, right? You really got to question society where there's men who actually want to be women. Just saying. Just saying. Just. Holy fucking hell, guys. Alright, let's give a shout out to our very own Gary. He's been doing Longevity Club and killing it in October. $753 in 4 days. 1,205 days, 782 thus far. Not bad, right? Let's go back. He made a statement saying he has not had a red day since the 17th. This man has been green ever since. And I'm willing to go on a limb and say that was because of the secret charts. Gary, let him know in the comment section, man. Secret charts, was it? Hey, guys, hit me up in the Discord, man. Get your supplementary charts. It's well worth the investment. You guys are sitting here, like, acting like entitled fucking peasants. Like, don't do that. Trading is not for entitled peasants. Just so you know, trading is a very Republican fucking thing. It's capitalism, baby. Capitalism. Oh, Oh, we got another one. Hey, you guys want to see some really, really stupid stats? Some really, really... Robert Dickin, you got to DM me. Yeah, it's going to cost you a pretty penny. But you guys want to see some really, really stupid stats? This is from a trader who just got started trading about a month ago. Has no bad habits, has no ego, was taught to just trust the system, right? He has no choice but to trust the system. The story is just so... The story is very, I guess, heartwarming, right? Comes from... middle class India, which is still like 13,000 a year, comes on over to this side of the world, pursuing his dreams as a developer, and then embraces 1348 and is just on an absolute fucking tear. Let me get this. This is fucking amazing. I love it. I love seeing you guys win. You don't get it. I love seeing you guys win. All right. You guys ready for this? This is just stupid. This is stupid. Who wants to see this? Because this is really, really, really stupid. I mean, I almost want to give him my port and say trade for me. Like, this is stupid. Chris Jackson, send me a DM, bro. Don't ask me for costs in public. We don't talk about money in public. Ready? This is someone who has no trading experience and will just absolutely murder ICT with 1348. Let's go. 89% win rate, 25 trades, 3 losses, profit factor 62.08. Trade expectancy $200. Average win loss 7.45, 229. Average loss $30. Trading M&Q. Adding to its winners, look at this, is ridiculous. He wins, he's done. He wins, he's done. He wins, he's done. Done. One trade. Insane, right? Insane. One losing day, one trade, 3 trades, losing day, 2 trades, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. What do we have here? Chrisker86, send me a DM in the Discord. Understanding Wiz, God bless you, brother. All right, this here, guys, this is the reason why I say keep your trades to 3 trades or less. Makes sense? Makes sense? It's just mathematics. You see it. You see it time and time again. It's congratulations. That is it's fucking sick. Insane. Daniel Mitch, he starts with 1 and adds to his winners, right? But he's only trading trade designs. And he's looking for confluences, but he starts with 1 and then adds to his winners. So his average loss is really, really small because he's starting with 1 M&Q and then adding along. So that's how that's working. Don't show me stats. They're going to get me mad, right? Back to the charts here, right? Are we bullish? No. Anyone who wants to trade here, check this out, right? If you played that ribbon here, all you really had was Excel. Excel would act as a level. From there, Supertrend would act as a level. 200, level. You have to treat Excel as a level, guys, right? You have to respect every level. Now, an analogy I used earlier today in longevity clip this morning was if there were like 3 different walls or doors in front of you and someone told you one of them is paper, are you just going to go ahead and like the middle one, we're just give yourself a fucking concussion, look like Wile E. Coyote, right? Boom, no. You have to go to every wall and get a feeler. You got to touch it a little bit. You You gotta, yeah, right. You gotta treat each element on the chart as a level of resistance. So broke here. Now this can be resistance potentially, or is it a paper wall? If it's a paper wall, then we have the 200 to run to. Daniel Mitch, perfect. All right. Let's see. MES held at 200. There you go. Well, you guys see what's happening there, right? It's just too much friction here. Too much friction. Sentiment is still bearish, right? At least for now. But Excel, then a super trend level here. This is friction. Guys, our system puts it all on the chart for you. There's no mystery. There's no mystery as to why you're winning. And there's absolutely no mystery as to why you might lose. Because we can use every level on a chart as a level, as resistance. Your band can act as a trend line resistance, right? You got your support, resistance, levels, automated, done for you. Perfect levels, right? Perfect. So now if we get a break above here, potentially you can take the trade. There's another level right here. That's going to be 2339, right? Potentially another level, right? What do we have? Do we have failure right there? Do we have failure? Oh my. Look at that. Look how responsive it is to everything on the chart. Some dude says you're a great salesman. Not really. I suck at sales. Now, if you really want an infomercial, I could give you an infomercial. Let's see. Dynamite says these charts sell themselves. That's what I'm saying. They just do. They just do. Like you guys are seeing it here in real time. It's that level right there. You could see how price action is just more like an auction. You see the resistance there? Guys, come on about like okay, so now what do we have to expect? We have to expect that it will potentially use Excel down here, right here, as support if it comes back down, right? Because it has the band as well just underneath it, right? So that's what we're looking at. We have to pay attention to this. So this is going to be a very, very interesting, I guess, crossroad for NQ right now. Does it hold, or is it going to stay above Excel, then finally break through here, right? And if you just don't have time to wait, you know, you just go ahead and set a buy order on the other side of this, right? You just said, I'll set a buy 5 NQ here, and then let's go ahead and shoot the shit. Yeah, we're chilling. It's 10:17. Still early in the morning. We quit trading at about 11:30 Eastern time, 11:45, right? Richard, I'll see you at 11. I owe Richard some time as well. We have Longevity Club. We're actually going to be trading live. Now, Richard, are you okay that we record it? Maybe throw it into our app, you know, because I feel like a lot of people can learn something from you. Yeah, we'll figure that out. It's a B setup, yeah. Yeah. What I've shown you guys is basically like when you have that free roam, that's the only time you really want to scalp. Otherwise, you're waiting for a trade design to the upside. But you got free roam here from 13 to 45, pretty much, right? That's where I'm free roam up to 45 there. I would just go ahead and, you know, set my sell just beneath this level here. And that's it. I'm not doing nothing. Nothing else. Now, I'm not chasing candle. I'm not going to chase this candle down to Excel. I'm just not doing that, right? But you can see, like, is it going to break Excel back down? Well, what won? If it breaks Excel back down, then that means our level here won, right? but I made sure I stayed on the other side of the level in order to qualify the trade and to qualify a thesis if it was in fact bullish, because, well, our genie does not say bullish. So this would be a scalp, but I'm out of harm's way. I'm letting the trade do what it wants to do. And then when it decides it wants to come to me, when it decides, let it come to me, right? What's a good trading strategy to add to winners? Wait for level breaks. So let's say you got in halfway on this candle, you got allocation of 1 halfway on this candle, then it breaks, you're setting an addition on the other side of this level, then you're setting an addition on the other side of this level. You see what I mean? That's what you're doing. That's what you're doing. So yeah, we got really nothing going on right now. I'm not in a trade. We'll just see if it develops. If it develops, it develops. I'm not going to chase it, right? You guys would do so much better if you stopped chasing candles. Just stop chasing candles. There you go. You're learning. You're sitting on your hands. That's what I like. I like to see that in the comment section, right? You're sitting on your hands. You made your 1.5%. People don't realize how powerful 1.5% is. It's insane. It's insane what 1.5% could do for you, right? We were just showing proof of concept here of what the system is, and basically you see how it respected Excel. The band came up to support it, acting almost as a trend line, right? We go ahead and we break this here, I'll end up getting a fill and then maybe work our way up here to 23.44. MES crossing 200. Okay, let's go ahead and look at MES here. Let's see what happened. Crossing 200 EMA. Wait, no. Don't do that, dude. Don't do that. It's not crossing. It's not crossing. Right? That's not crossing, dude. That's balls smacking pelvic bone. That is not crossing. That is balls smacking pelvic bone. Don't do that, man. That's not cool. Lord. Wait for the candle close and the break above. You make it. You'd be better off that way, man. It's like, come on, dude. Lord. By the way, for those who are just tuning in, I'm an acquired taste. I say what I want to say. It's just true. Let's see. Let's go back to NQ, see how that trade's going. Still not filled. Potentially, but we got a gray candle, right? So gray candle is actually better than a red candle, at least in this thesis here, right? Because we're no longer bearish with the red candle. So, yeah, we'll see. Boy, 10:22. Let's see if we get one more trade in. That'll make me 3 for 3. That'll be my last trade of the day. And we're filled. Let's zoom in. So we're filled here. I have my target just underneath this right here. Actually, I got to bring it down to here. You see that there's a level here right there established. I'm going to bring it down to there. And I'm just going to let the trade just come to Papa. Unless I get massive failure here, right? But the trend is up. Yeah, and I'm not going to look at it, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and do some other things. So if you guys want to like look at other tickers, we can look at other tickers, but I want this trade to just develop, right? The thesis, at least for now, you know, filled me, and just receded a little bit. There we're good. Up 75, 125, 300, 3 trades. All right, so we're up over what? That's going to be 1,400 on the day, just chilling, right? If this was 20 Apex accounts like those guys like to do, right? You'd be up close to 30 grand on a day, right? So I'm not really impressed with some YouTubers saying like, yeah, I took out, $100,000. It's like, bro, really? No, stupid, right? So we don't encourage gambling here. We encourage traders and building that thesis. I was right. There we go. Here we go. I have my target. You guys see where my target's at, right? I'm going to just let this thing go. Let it go. You see it happening. It's happening. I'm up $700, $800, $900. I mean, I'm hunting a level. Hunting a level. Right, so this would get me closer to about $2,000 if I close my position at about $900 to $1,000 there. That's 1,000. Guys, man, see? That's what happens, right? So I have my target there. There you go. Come on, come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. You just need to fill me right there. Come on, man. Come on. I made the algorithm. Come on, 2,000. We gonna get a fill? Fuck you. Give me a fill. This is where it gets fun, right? There you go. Yes. Trade design to the upside. 200 right there. Go. Sorry. Good, man. We're done. We're done. That was a fun trade. Leap in pieces like, how can I get this? 3 for 3 closed at the 4080 MA. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap things up. I think I deserve to at this point. If you followed me today, there you go. I love it. Done too. Great system. Enjoy the day, everyone. System proven. We're goated. We're goated. Love you all. I'll see you guys at study hall tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, right? So we got a private study hall tomorrow where the trade is actually real time. Yeah. All right. I'm signing out. Love you all. Peace.